Good morning. Today we are going to see how to create a question paper in T. So now I will select T map. In this see here different options are there at the bottom: activity, calendar, team, and assignment. Select assignment and plus symbol is there at the top. Click on that. So now select the new quiz. New quiz. Now for which class you want to create a question paper, first you have to select that class. Here on new, click on new quiz. Now you are given title, and now you have to type the titles here. So titles, school name, and put the school name title there. So JM Chamrati English School. English School. And Junior College. Now description. So it will write demo test. Demo test. Now see how it will be look. So you can see also how it will look. So when you click on this, like this, it will be. Now uh, I'm going to add the question here. Add a question. So here you can select. So there are different questions are choice, multiple choice is there, text also, long answer, short answer you can select. So one by one I will select. First I will use multiple choice. I am going to delete this. So here multiple choice. So in which I will write the first question here. Select basic tag of HTML. Now there are two options, so and I can add a more option also. So in this option I will click here. So I will put here BR. Here I will put head tag. So now this is a basic tag of HTML head tag. It's the right answer. So now in Google Form you're writing which is the right hand, we're clicking on that. As like here no need to go anywhere. So in front of this it will be display delete this message, and here right symbol you have to click on right symbol. So this is your right answer, and you have to put the mark. You can put the mark here, 1 mark for this particular. So 1 mark is there. But again, I'm going to write two option also there. So I will add an option here. Here I will type the another tag here. I will type paragraph tag. So this is a wrong, not a answer, but we have to give the four options. So that's why right here. And again, oh now one option can add here. So add option. So here I will put the H1. So as like this, there are four options are there, and question of multiple choice. And correct answer I select there. Correct answer. This is a correct answer. Which one? Head tag. There I select the correct. So now see output of the and compulsory. You can click on this. Click here. So required. So it will be the required. Now see how it will look whenever I see. So this is your first question. Select the basic tag of HTML. I like this it will. Now next question if you want. So again and again you want to add, and that it will take a time. So there is a one shortcut key. So as it is this question, you can create a duplicate copy of this. So this duplicate copy of this question, and you can edit this and you can type another there also. So it will not consume your time. So now again I will put there physical tag of so select I will put there select physical tag of HTML. Select physical tag of HTML. So now I will put here. So here I will put already I put there. So physical text. So which one is right? I will click on there, and first already I put the right. I will remove this first, and after that I click here. And which one is right? Paragraph is right. Physical tags. I will click on this right. So now see two questions. Oh, so now see how it will look. So this is the first question. The second question. So for trial basis, I am explaining one and two questions. So it will be better for understanding. So this is your question paper of multiple choice. So now there is a very important things. Setting is very important, and whenever you create this, it save it. No need to save again and again. And see here, setting is very important. You can click on setting. Here option for quiz show result automatically, but for exam we don't want to show the result automatically. You have to off this option. Now here who can fill out this form? So anyone responded, but in our school we have to give to the our school students, so only people in my organization can respond it. So record name, any student can fill up the form, give the exam for one time. So you have to put select the one time, one responses. Again here option for responses, accepted response. Now when it will be start and it will be end, here you can put the setting also. So suppose it will be start tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you select the date. Time also you can select. So suppose the time is 9, and again end date also you can select end date. Same date you can put and time you can put here. So this setting is very important, that particular time student can access your form. And see, like this it will be display now. Now output of this program. So this is a basic tutorial for how to create a question paper using Team. So see, if you want to add here again, once you create, you at a time will not type the paper whole, so you can move back also. There is your paper. Again if you want to add in this paper, so I will show you here. Now see, again suppose you want to add, so again you have to select this class 12th, new, here new, select class 12th, next, and instead of new quiz, so just now I create that quiz, I want to edit this one. So here today, and I will put a next. So that question paper you can edit, you can add their question also. So this just now we create a question paper here, and if you want to add here again, so you can add this. So again I will add here, so I can make a duplicate copy of previous one also. So here I will click and I will create the duplicate copy of this previous one. So third question, select the block level tags, select the text level tag. Network connection, so it will take time. So select block level tag. So here already I wrote there, so I will put this block level tag, which one. So there I will, so this is my block level tag, only here I will edit. And correct answer, this is a correct answer, so I will select this correct answer. So in this way, even I create, now I see third question also I add in this paper. First, second, you can also do at a time, you can will not able to type this all papers, so it will be better. So again you can. So I hope so you are clear. So if you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you for watching video.